I'd like to welcome to the stage our next guest. Now, he has been hugely sought after from Hong Kong FinTech Week right through to our summit. Ladies and gentlemen, we now welcome to the stage the Financial Secretary of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region of the People's Republic of China, the Honorable Paul Chan.
Eddie, Tim, Julia, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Very glad to see you in the second day of the Investment Summit. And welcome to the session on conversations with global investors. We all know the complex and challenging investment environment facing us today. Julia has already alluded to this in her address just now. And in such circumstances, investors tend to be risk averse. A decline in risk appetite often goes hand in hand with reduced investments. Yet whether this conventional wisdom would necessarily mean good yield is questionable. It may work from a short-term perspective, but I would argue that it may not be so in the medium to long term. Look no further than Hong Kong for a case as testing to this. The cycles that Hong Kong has gone through in the past have all confirmed one thing. Our unique advantages have remained throughout, and each time we have come out from a challenge with new strengths and opportunities. So at a time of increasing complexity and uncertainty, Hong Kong presents a window of enormous investment opportunities with great potential returns. Let me explain. Basically 3 points. New technologies. Innovation and technology. Hong Kong is determined to develop innovation and technology as a core engine of our growth. We released the Hong Kong Innovation and Technology Development Blueprint in December last year, outlining our vision, clear development direction, and roadmap in this important area, and have put money to where our mouth is. Our government has been the biggest investor in this area, investing over $200 billion to build, consolidate, and enrich the innovation and technology ecosystem in recent years. Despite the challenges we face, not least the geopolitical situation, the innovation and technology ecosystem in Hong Kong has grown more vibrant, with exciting achievements in nurturing startups, attracting enterprises and talents, and realizing the transformation of R&D outcomes. Take artificial intelligence as an example. It is fast developing and driving revolutionary changes to financial and other businesses. But it is data intensive. Many mainland AI firms are keen to come to Hong Kong because of our unfettered access to international data and information. But so would many international AI companies, because they will be able to access mainland data here in the future. With the support of the central authorities, Hong Kong is actively working towards cross-boundary data flow within the GBA, Greater Bay Area. Such convergence of data is not only benefiting the AI industry, it will also be conducive to the development of other sectors, such as pharmaceutical and biomedicine, for which data is an essential ingredient for R&D. In fact, many foreign pharmaceutical giants and the future stars of the industry are highly interested in setting up their R&D facilities in Hong Kong. For example, AstraZeneca will expand its R&D center in our science park. And it is our vision to develop Hong Kong into a health and medical innovation hub. Tech companies looking to Hong Kong also set sights on our world-class research capabilities and a deep pool of talent. 5 universities here are among the global top 100. We are also home to numerous award-winning scholars and researchers. Of course, tech companies at different stages are also looking to our vibrant capital markets, from venture capital and private equity to our listing platform, in order to realize their growth ambitions. You can reasonably expect that Hong Kong will give birth more unicorns in the next 5 to 10 years. Investment in companies with such potential are certainly good deals that investors should not miss. New modes of business. Technological advancements such as the development of blockchain have created new business models and disrupted traditional ones. We see transactional efficiency being significantly improved. Threshold for entering a market much lowered for businesses. As the second largest economy in the world, China not only embraces INT as well as digitalization at an unprecedented speed. The country itself has been a major cradle of breakthrough tech solutions and startups. With the unique one country, two systems advantage, Hong Kong can provide investors a second-to-none platform in observing firsthand and up close the rapid development of technological R&D and application in our country, gaining deeper insights into the new models of business, and at the same time, staying connected with the international market and capital, and most importantly, helping investors sourcing the right deals. Another game-changing trend that I would like to highlight is ESG. The transition to a lower carbon economy is irreversible, and this is a global agenda. Hong Kong is at the forefront of green and sustainable finance. We issued more than 1/3 of Asia's green and sustainable bonds last year. We are also making great strides in areas such as climate-related disclosures, green classification frameworks, green certification, and capacity building. But what should not be underestimated is Hong Kong's green tech powers. We have a vibrant green tech landscape with strong basic research and entrepreneurial spirit. We are already home to hundreds of green tech companies. Some of them are already selling their solutions across different parts of the world. With the respective strengths of Hong Kong and sister cities in the GBA, we will rise as an international green tech and green finance center, creating a complete financial and industry chain that will drive global green transition. New capital. Geopolitics may be posing challenges, but with challenges come opportunities. While some countries may be advocating reshoring, friendshoring, or even onshoring, many other countries, such as those in the Middle East and Europe, have actually been driven to diversify their investments to this part of the world. Here in Hong Kong, we are keen to capture such opportunities. Over the past year, Hong Kong team has been actively stepping up our collaboration with ASEAN and the Middle East, and we are going to see good outcomes. We will shortly be welcoming Asia's first ever ETF, investing in Saudi Arabia, to be listed here on our stock exchange. This is certainly a milestone signifying more two-way fund flows and an important step towards mutual market access between Hong Kong and the Middle East. Ladies and gentlemen, in a complex investment environment, the key to good investing is always to find new areas that have the best growth potential. And you are the experts. I'm sure Hong Kong and the GBA will offer you promising prospects and opportunities. And our Hong Kong Investment Corporation are very keen to work with you. I'm now looking forward to listening to your enlightening perspectives. Thank you, and I wish you a most rewarding summit and the best of health. Thank you.